Places playing with David in Fremont. What's up? Happy hump day, David.
Hey, morning guys. Morning everybody.
And David, you're kind of a trivia expert. You used to go to the pub playing the trivia at nights.
Oh yeah, like college and like all up until like right before the pandemic started.
Oh, pandemic ended all of our fun. It really did. Well, you can get back out there, I think.
Well,
Sorry.
no drinks this morning, David, but we do have the trivia part of it. So you ready to rock and roll?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, 10 questions, man. Minute on the clock. Answer them correctly. You're winning $1,000. Good luck. The game starts now.
Set, go.
What sport does Tiger Woods play?
False.
True or false? Harry Styles was born in Russia.
False.
What holiday is known as the unofficial end of summer?
Every day.
What's the name of the Toys R Us mascot?
Pass.
You arrive at 9:45. You were supposed to be there at 7:30. How late are you?
Hour. 2 hours.
Which 90s rapper made parachute pants popular?
MC.
Spell croissant.
CROISSANT.
Who replaced Tom Bergeron on America's Funniest Videos in 2015?
Pass.
Sandra Day O'Connor was the first woman appointed to what?
Supreme Court.
Yeah.
You only got through 9. I was hoping we could get back to the past ones because you got everything else correct. Let's run through it. Tiger Woods plays golf. Harry Styles. She was born in England. Labor Day is known as the unofficial end of summer. Jeffrey the Giraffe is Toys R Us mascot. If you arrive at 9:45, but you were supposed to be there at 7:30, don't even show up. It's the correct answer. But you would be 2 hours and 15 minutes late. 90s rapper that made parachute pants popular, MC Hammer Croissant. You spelled correct. Rivero, he replaced Tom Bergeron.
We have accepted Carlton.
Yeah. Doing the Carlton. And Sandra Day O'Connor was the first woman on the Supreme Court.
Not bad, David, but no money. The good news is your name remains the same, so maybe we'll call you down the line to try again, all right?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Coming back, we're talking about the most ridiculous thing you've tried to return. Bless you.
Thank you. I tried to cover it up and keep it in my hoodie.
Keep that covered in the hoodie, man. Just in there. The most ridiculous thing you've tried to return. Take your calls next.
Big A morning. Play our generation. Hear every show, every day. Download the 99.7 Now app from your app store.
We were just talking about how in the Bay Area, September and October, that's our summer around here.
Absolutely.
So you still need Body Ready, or you have time to get Beachbody Ready with a juice cleanse from Squeezed.com. And it is so easy. All you have to do is get to Squeezed.com, order your juice cleanse, use the promo code RADIO. Get the lowest price, and you'll get free same-day delivery, and then you can start juicing as soon as tonight. So if you're ready to get that beach in the fall, then get to Squeeze.com.
It's your last chance to see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child in San Francisco. The exclusive West Coast production must end September 11th. Its wondrous and thrilling reads the Chronicle. Let your imagination take wing. Remember just how magical live
will be very small, very small. But at least your wallet doesn't have to be my fashion victim if you shop low prices for school at Amazon. Hopefully this is helpful. Amazon. More.
An irresistibly delicious journey has taken flight, and it's bringing the flavors of Mexico to you. At Chavez Supermarket.
Supermarket, we have the best quality products to bring out the authentic flavors of our rooms. Like our wide selection of fresh hair-stretched beef to make your favorite carne asada dish. The bring us together. Chavez Supermarket, the choice for flavor and quality. Visit us at ChavezSuper.com.
If you've been hurt in an accident, you need to call Sweet James Accident Attorneys, voted best attorneys in America. Hey, what's going on? It is Benny Nikki. Big Ben Mornings, and an independent study found that the average injured victim gets 3 times the settlement amount with an attorney than without. Sweet James has helped thousands of injured accident victims get the medical treatment they need and win millions of dollars every single month. Pay nothing and call Sweet James at 800-500-5200. That's 800-500-5200 and sweetjames.com.
You deserve more internet than what you get from just your cell phone. Get Xfinity high-speed internet at home free through the Affordable Connectivity Program. That's right, eligible customers can get Internet Essentials Plus, a $29.95 a month value free when they enroll in the Affordable Connectivity Program. Get free high-speed internet with unlimited data and a wireless gateway included. No extra cost. We're talking no fees, no taxes, and no annual contract. And now to get this incredible deal for more streaming, more gaming, and more chatting on more devices at home. Your cell phone cannot do that. Get Xfinity high-speed internet at home through the Affordable Connectivity Program and connect to more of what you love free. Now to see if you qualify, all you have to do, just go to xfinity.com and ITY or visit the Xfinity store today. Restrictions do apply after program participation ends. Comcast standard charges, taxes, and fees apply. May not be combined with other offers.
Why do we find popping bubble wrap so satisfying? Why do we say boop when we touch somebody's nose? Boop? Why do we turn anything and everything into drums? Honey, I need those paws to start dinner. Why do we sing in the shower? I'm taking a shower. And outside the shower.
All is boring.
Rick, you are not on mute.
Why? For the same reason we play scratchers for the California Lottery. Because a little play can make your day. Please play responsibly. Must be 18 years or older. Purchase player play.
Back to Big Bay Mornings. Really funny, and it gets me going. 99.7 now.
I've been flexing and I can put you in. So I just keep cheesing. He's seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the middle peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You can do it. I've been go up the sex in and I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say he was a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool. You want sunset? I'm about to slide, okay. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time yeah, that sounds fine. I've been go up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been go up the
watermelon.
I got no problem.
I do. I know how much money it costs to get in the car and go back to the store. Gas ain't cheap. I'm not doing it.
Watermelons are like anywhere between $7 and $10.
Where are you shopping, baby? I'm not paying $10 for my watermelon.
Well, maybe that lady did. There's nothing more infuriating getting a bad watermelon. I'm telling you, that mushy watermelon is disgusting.
We got Sprouts. But speaking of Sprouts, this texter, 408, I had someone that literally tried to fight me over Sprouts. There was a 40-cent difference. They wanted their 40 cents off. She overcharged them 40 cents.
Was it the coupon code?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, that just reminded me. My sister, sorry to call you out. My sister tried to fight the lady at Subway for charging her additional, like 30 cents for heating up her sandwich, and she didn't charge me. I remember my sister getting on the phone, calling corporate to complain because she got charged for toasting her bread and I didn't.
I know it's hard. Inflation is real, but, you know, over 10 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents.
What I would not do, this person says that they worked at Lowe's and somebody returned a 10-cent screw. I mean, come on now. That's, I mean,
What single
why do you say you screw
You
that?
can't even sell a single 10 cents.
Can you just imagine walking in with your single screw?
And you're always looking for a screw at the house when you're doing something. I mean, why wouldn't you just save that? And lastly, I know we got a call waiting for us, but lastly, you remember this because you brought this up in headlines a few years ago.
What's that?
A woman returned to Costco after Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
You recall that.
Uh-huh.
And they took it.
They took it back. We'll save it for next year.
The customer is always right.
What is the craziest thing you tried to return or someone tried to return?
Good morning, how are you?
We're good. So tell us.
Oh my god, okay, so I used to work at Nordstrom's at the mall, and before the mall, it was a Nordstrom's. Apparently it was a tire shop in that location, and this it said that he heard Nordstrom's returns anything and had a pair of unused tires that he bought from that location. And in Nordstrom's returned all 4 tires, these huge tires for his truck. Even the tires are framed in these huge, nice, fancy frames in their corporate offices.
Which is unbelievable. So, was this tire shop like a sister company of Nordstrom's or no?
No, nothing. They were just in the location before the mall was built.
So Nordstrom really will take back anything.
Wow.
They,
That is just mind-boggling.
I know.
That's like buying shoes from Kohl's or something, and then that Kohl's turns into a, I don't know, a BJ's, and then you try to return the shoes to a BJ's restaurant. I mean,
And then they say yes, and then they fail.
yeah, then they hang the shoes, like, you know, like they throw them over the wires.
yeah. And then they told me this. They told me this while when I got hired and I was in the training process, and they were teaching us how to do returns. And so they told us that story. I couldn't believe it.
I can't believe it either, but you know what? Target's almost the same.
The button that you push on the computer, though, for that. I mean, there's no tire button on your Nordstrom screen.
There's no barcode or anything. I don't know.
Oh my God. Well, thank you for the story, Lauren. Have a great day.
Thank you guys. Love you.
Love you back. You're Dirty on a 30 coming up next. Have you heard of the term quiet quitting yet? You may be doing it right now as we speak. We'll tell you what it is next in Your Dirty on the 30.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me.